Yo, what's up? I'm not gonna lie and act like this just happened. Like, I'm not gonna act like all this stuff just came and I'm just shocked, right? I'm not gonna do it. Car is filthy. My car is completely filthy. Like, birds chop me up all over, man. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. Yeah, I ain't gonna say this all happened like just recently, but I didn't know it was this bad. Like, I didn't know I got shot up like this, man. So I'm about to wash the car real quick. Like, look at this. This is all over the place. I don't even know if you guys can see it, man. I'm just still trying to get like an understanding of this camera, so I'm just trying to show like random footage. But the car is filthy, man. So you guys might as well get a look at that. See what a filthy car looks like. I didn't know it was this bad, man. It's a lot worse on this side. This is the passenger side. But, you know, if you're driving a car, you don't get on that side. I'm trying to park the shade, so you know, it's not color, just stick out. So yeah, this is horrible. It's horrible, but we're about to knock it out right now, man. So let's get it. I'm done. We done, man. Honestly, man, it took me like 10 minutes. I'm at one of these little self car wash places, you know, where you just got the little spray or whatever. But yeah, man, we just knocked it out real quick. I know you're gonna say, man, them wheels is dry. I know the wheels is dirty still and the tires is dry. I know. Man, you still got some spots on it. I know. It ain't super, I know, man. I know. This was a $1.75 car wash. Took me like 10 minutes. Sometimes you just gotta get in there real quick. I didn't even touch the car, man. Honestly, I dried it off, obviously, but I didn't touch it. I didn't scrub nothing. And just for people who don't know about washing their cars, never use this shit. Never use this. This is the worst thing imaginable. This brush shit, be falling on the ground and shit. Like, just imagine it's on the ground right now, getting all type of dirt, all type of sand, grit, and then they put it right back up. It turn right on, and you scrub it across your car. You can screw it up, man. So what I do is I use this. I use a little gun thing for the soap and water. It's like a setting right here where you can put it on focus. Wash and soap. Do that a couple times. Then I put it on rinse it off. A little pressure washer, man, get off all the little dirt or whatever. That's just if I'm doing just a quick car wash. Just a real quick one, man. Real quick one. Oh, I should blur that out, but don't matter. But yeah, man, real quick one, man. $1.75 took me 10 minutes. I'm gonna do the rest at the house, man. I'm gonna do the wheels and stuff at the house. But, you know, sometimes you just wanna get it in real quick. A little pressure washer in, man, and just knock it out. Like, I didn't even know you can see the sea on the seats from the outside, man. I never really looked into the car like this, honestly. All right. This is it, man. Just a quick little video, man. I think I'm gonna add some more stuff to this from last night or yesterday or 4th of July or some shit. I don't know. We're gonna see. All right.